Okay, part two of Python list. I believe we left with the slide on traversing a list, so we're going to move on from here. You can also make changes to a list, and let's take a look at this piece of code here. For name in stuff, that's that shortened for loop. Name gets, and I'm going to capitalize the names, and then I'm going to print them out. So I'm going to capitalize and print them out. And this print prints out, as you know, it's not indented in the list or in the for loop, so it prints everything out. If you typed and ran that code, you're going to see it didn't work. Nothing was actually changed. It's because this name here is a copy of the element. It's not the element. So this is just like a one-time shot. Nothing would get changed. Here's another example. No change here either. So here's another for loop, and then I concatenate this together. And I just wanted to show you how to use the upper function and concatenating and displaying stuff like that. Now this slide, hang on a minute. So I'm going to have one more series of videos, and I'll show you in the next video when I'm actually in PyCharm how to make changes to the list. Here are your list operators, and in my next video I'm going to demonstrate all of these. All of these, you need to look at these because these are important and these are very helpful. These are called the functions. So most books separate the operators and the functions, and again, very useful. Keep this as a reference. Just to let you know, topics I'm not going to cover in this class, because if this is a COP 1000, as I'm not covering multiple dimension list, or in some words arrays, no 2Ds, no tuples, no jagged list, and I'm not going to do a list of pixels or images. That would be for a more advanced class. In summary, for this slideshow, list is, oh come on, you gotta be kidding me. List is a variable that holds multiple values. You would use the square brackets to specify or identify a list. In this slideshow and the previous one and the next one, there's many ways to create a list. You can use an integer index or subscript to refer to an element of a list. Remember, index and subscript would be synonyms for each other. Be careful when dealing with lists not to exceed the boundary. Remember, Python is rich in all those operations and functions. Chances are, if you're doing something, there might be a tool to already do it for you. Okay. Wow, that was only 3 minutes. I'm going to let that one go and start in PyCharm with the next video.